Students, see here the number of rational terms in the expansion of a power 1 by L plus b power 1 by k whole power n is step of n by LCM of L comma k, where this is greatest integer function, when none of L and k is factor of n. L and k, none of L and k is factor of n, then only this formula exists. Otherwise, at least one of L and k is factor of n means. So what is the formula? Step of n by LCM of L comma k plus 1. Here is going to add 1 when at least one of L and k is factor of n means. First, we want to identify that L and k terms. Okay, see this expansion, what they are given. Root 3. Root 3 means what? 3 power 1 by 2 plus fourth root 5, that is 5 power 1 by 4 whole power 124. See here, L value is 2 and k value is 4. So 124 is divisible by 2. So 2 is factor of 124 and 4 also factor of 124. So that means at least one of L and k is factor of n means this is the formula. So number of rational terms, what is the formula, students? Step of n, n means 124, n means 124 right here, divided by LCM of 2 comma 4 plus 1. What is LCM of 2 comma 4? That is 4 or not? Step of 124 by 4 plus 1. Step of integer, integer only. Yes or no? Now this value is 31. 31 plus 1, that is 32. These are number of rational terms. But I am going to one more condition. Number of irrational terms. Irrational terms. Number of irrational terms means in total terms subtract rational terms. Subtract rational terms. Then you will get number of irrational terms. Total number of terms, the power is 124. So add 1, 125. 125 minus 32. How much, students? 125 minus 32. 7. I think 83 or not? Sorry, 93. These are number of irrational terms. But in the question, they are asking only number of rational terms. How many we got? 32. Second option is correct. Step of 100 by 24. 100 by 24 means approximately this is 4.16. Step of 4.16, that is 4. Number of rational terms is 4. But in the question they are asking number of irrational terms. Right here, number of irrational terms, that is equal to total number of terms 101 minus number of rational terms. So what is the answer? 97. So number of irrational terms is 97. Here observe that step of n by LCM of L comma K I am taken. Why I am taken plus 1? I am not taken plus 1 because 8 and 6 are not factors of 100. At least one of the term is factor of 100 means then we will take plus 1. Now here no need to take the plus 1 because both are not factors of 100. Students, are you understood? First find that number of rational terms. 4. Number of irrational terms means total number of terms minus number of rational terms. So we get the answer is number of irrational terms 97. Problems. Level 2 first problem. How to solve that? The term independent of x in the expansion of 1 plus 2x plus 2yx whole cube. Independent term means we know very well, that is constant term, x power 0 coefficient, 1 plus remaining two terms, take 2 common, we get x plus 1 by x whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. Or otherwise you can expand, no problem, by using binomial. 3c0 plus 3c1 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 3c2 2 square and x plus 1 by x whole square plus 3c3 2 cube x plus 1 by x whole cube. Here observe that so where the independent term is possible, that means where it is possible constant terms, those we can identify. This is one term, this is constant term, but here there is no constant terms, x and 1 by x is there. But here observe that after expansion what we get, a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. Here xx is going to cancel. So here we are getting constant term. But in last x plus 1 by x whole cube, expand that, there is no constant term. Students, are you understood? Now I am going to write independent terms of x. Independent term of x in the expansion. In the expansion is 3c0, this is one term, plus here multiply with 3c2 into 2 square. After expansion what we are getting? 2. These are the independent term. 3c0 means 1, 3c2 means 3, 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1, that is 25. The term independent of x in that expansion is 25. Independent term means constant term. The sum of constant term is 25 finally. Fourth option is correct. What they are asking for, see, fifth term of q by 2x minus px whole power 8 is 1120 and p plus q is 5, p greater than q, then p is equal to. Students, how to do this? They are given t5. T5 that is equal to 1120. T5 means we can write T4 plus 1 or not, that is 1120. Apply that. 8C4 q by 2x whole power 8 minus 4 minus px whole power 4, that is equal to 1120. 8C4 means what? 8, 7, 6, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here q power 4 divided by 2 power 4 into x power 4 into minus px whole power 4. The power is even, negative is going to positive. That is equal to 1120. Now x power 4 is cancelled. Now observe the calculation. 2 3s are 6. Next. 2 power 4 means how much, students? 16. 8 2s are 16. Next. With 5 calculate this. 5. 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 4s are. With 7 calculate this. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. Now see the denominator remaining terms. What are they? Numerator p power 4 q power 4. That is pq whole power 4. That is equal to 32 into 2. How much, students? 64. 64 means how to write? 4 power 4? No. No, not 4 power 4. 1 see. 2 4s are only 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 also is there here. This is 8. This is 8. 8 into 32. 8 2s are 16. 256. That means this is 4 power 4. PQ is equal to 4. And in the question they are given P plus Q is equal to 5. And one more condition given, P greater than Q. By observing these all conditions, how to take the P value and Q value? P is equal to 4, then Q is equal to 1. These are satisfied. See, P greater than Q, 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Students, finally what they are asking? P value. So P value is 4. Third question. Generally we know that expansion, for suppose see here, x plus a whole power n expansion. How we are writing short form? Like this. R is equal to 0 to n NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. This is a short form of this. Yes or no? Now see the question what they are giving. Sigma m is equal to 0 to 100, 100 cm x minus 3 whole power 100 minus m into 2 power m. This is how to write, students, tell me. This is x minus 3 plus 2 whole power 100. That means x minus 1 whole power 100. This is, we can write another form also. The power is 100 now. 1 minus x whole power 100. Both are correct. The power is 100. Take minus common. But see the question what they are asking here. This will come in permutation and combination. Yes or no? So 100C 53 means how to write? C into 100 comma 53. Don't confuse here. Okay, students, which option is correct? Third option. Here observe this formula. X plus a whole power n expansion is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. Now, this value, this is x first term, this is second term. X minus 3 plus 2 whole power 100. We got x minus 1 whole power 100. Take minus common because the power is even. So we get 1 minus x whole power 100. In 1 minus x whole power and expansion, general term formula this is minus 1 whole power r into ncr into x power r. But in the question they are asking coefficient of x power 53. So coefficient of x power 53 is just in place of r, take 53. N means 100, you know very well. So finally, third option is correct. So here I have written mistake. C n comma r, sorry, this C n comma r. I am written n of C comma r. C n r. This is the form. Okay, by mistake I am written. See that next question. 1 plus x whole power m. 1 plus x whole power m into 1 minus x whole power n expansion. But see here, coefficient of x and x square are 3 and minus 6. We need only coefficient of x and x square. X cube, x power 4, those terms are no need. Okay. Now see that one by one, I'm going to expand. First, 1 plus x whole power m expansion. Students, how to write? Tell me. This is the method. MC0 plus MC1 into x plus MC2 into x square plus and so on. The last term I am writing MCM into x power m into 1 minus x whole power n, that is NC0 minus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square minus and so on. The last term minus 1 whole power n NCN into x power n. Multiply these two, then identify the coefficient of x. Here, coefficient of x is equal to, what are the coefficient of x? If you are multiplied these two, then you will get coefficient of x. If you are multiplied these two, then you will get coefficient of x, etc. Yes or no? So I am writing those terms. First, minus MC0 into NC1 plus NC0 into MC1. Okay, students, coefficient of x means only these are possible. And coefficient of x value already given, that is 3. 3 is equal to minus MC0 means 1, NC1 means n plus NC0 means 1, MC1 means m. So finally, m minus n value we got 3. Okay, next condition. Coefficient of x square, which terms are possible, we can identify. See, x square terms, where it is possible. So first, this is one term, okay, and this is also. This is one term, and multiply these two. you will get x square term or not. Total how many are there? 3. So I am going to write one by one. First, MC0 into NC2. If you are multiplied both, we get minus MC1, NC1, middle 2, plus MC2 into NC0. Students, are you understood? And coefficient of x square value minus 6 given right here. Minus 6 is equal to MC0 value is 1. NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 minus MC1 m NC1 n plus MC2 m into m minus 1 by 1 into 2, that is 2. NC0 value is 1. Now denominator take LCM, send to left hand side, you will get minus 12. And numerator multiply n square minus n. Here minus 2mn. How we got 2? We have taken LCM now, that's why. Plus m square minus m. Okay. Next, how to write? Minus 12, that is equal to. So here, students, observe that n square m square minus 2mn. These three terms, how to write? Tell me. That is m minus n whole square or not? M minus n whole square or not? Remaining two terms, take minus common, you will get m plus n. So why I am writing like that? We know that m minus n value here, 3 is equal to m minus n. Those values substitute. Minus 12 here, 3 square, 9, minus of m plus n. So m plus n, that is equal to how much, students? 21. M plus n is 21. M minus n is 3. Solve both. M minus n is equal to 3. M plus n is equal to 21. Then add these two. 2m is equal to 24. Then what is m? M is 12. If m is 12 means, then what is n? N is 9. 12 minus 9, that is 3 or not? These are the m and n value. See the question what they are asking. They are asking m value. M value is 12.